Which social channel has the most value at 1 million subs? Is it Twitter? Is it YouTube? LinkedIn? Instagram? Which one is it? Drop a comment below before I share the results in this poll. When you think about these channels, these are kind of the major channels right now. I left out TikTok because, in my opinion, TikTok is fleeting and who knows what's going to happen, especially in the United States with TikTok being labeled as a security risk. So I'm going to show you two polls right here. One is on my Twitter and then the other one is on my LinkedIn. And then I'm going to share kind of what I believe is going to be true for the long term, and I'm also going to share some quantitative, so I'm going to share some qualitative information as well. So if you look at my Twitter over here, about 138 people responded to this one, so it wasn't like it's a massive poll or anything like that, but 138 is a nice sample size. And so I just asked what's more valuable with 1 million followers. And so keep in mind, whatever platform I'm asking on, they're going to be more biased towards that specific platform. So you can see for this one, Twitter came in at number 2, but overwhelmingly 61.6% said YouTube. That's the first result with 138 votes. And then I also ran the poll on my LinkedIn as well. And so on my LinkedIn, same deal. 40% of people said LinkedIn and 40% of people said YouTube. So what we find to be true is that YouTube seems to be in the conversation. This one, it was a winner on Twitter. And then on this one, it tied with LinkedIn. This one had 372 votes. And so we can say that YouTube is a winner based on the data over here. Also is when you look at the top creators out there, what channel are they attacking mostly? It's YouTube. You know, millions of followers for all of them. And then they're all kind of building their own media empires in the respective ways. And if you think about it, YouTube is actually the second largest search engine in the world, and it's owned by Google. Don't forget, Google also produces the Android operating system, which because they produce Android, it comes pre-installed with YouTube as well. And the other thing too is that YouTube is really special because the way they pay their creators is probably the fairest out of all the platforms. They do a revenue share with them, and they're going to do the same thing for YouTube Shorts as well. And Shorts seems really exciting to me because Shorts is battling it out with TikTok, they're battling out with Reels, and there's an evergreen aspect to whatever short clips that you make. And so when you make a short form video, if someone watches it, they actually are then exposed to your long form videos as well. So there's a nice growth hack there to get bigger and bigger. And if I had to bet what's going to be around in 10 years, I would put YouTube up there. And I think YouTube is really just getting started right now. And if you think about some people that are building massive podcasts on YouTube, Patrick Bet-David Show, Andrew Tate, Joe Rogan as well, Lex Friedman, all these people. And I just think it's really special. I think back in the day, Oprah, as an example, she probably would have used YouTube as a platform. And again, if a lot of the kids growing up now, they don't really watch that much TV, they watch YouTube. And if Mr. Beast, who's only 24 years old, spent his life watching YouTube growing up, and it's the only thing that he obsesses over, I think there are a lot of signals that say that, hey, this thing is here and it's here to stay. And even for the efforts that we're putting in right now from a content perspective, we are focused on YouTube as the #1 channel. If you want to grow faster on YouTube, I've actually made a video over here on our roadmap to building to 100,000 subs and how you can do the same thing as well. So hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you in that one over there, and see you later.